Alright, so we are at this small business complex here that I filmed at before. And they have several brand new R32 Goodmans. It's hard to see, but it does have a coping scroll. Yep, 2025. And it's in heat mode, of course. It's this one, which has been running. It's got some water underneath. This one replaced a Bryant from, I think, the late 90s that I got defrosting, like going in and out of it multiple times last February. And I think this one replaced an XR13 from the late 2000s. Here's this one. This one replaced another XR13 that I got starting up last season. This one's an earlier one, I think. 2024. Then finally we have a couple more here, which look like they have not been running. I think 2025, if I read that correctly. There's one more here that's older than the rest. Just put in like at the beginning of the year. So yeah, thanks for watching.